Hey everybody, this is Corey. I'm one of the founders of ThinkBrain, and I'm here to give you an explanation on why we created this app for Shopify businesses. Um, we come from an e-commerce background. We also come from an extensive SEO background, and one of the biggest challenges we faced with working on SEO for our e-commerce clients is that Shopify, as amazing as a platform it doesn't have the SEO abilities that a lot of these major companies have. And what I want to do in this video is I want to show you where we got the inspiration to come up with this. We spent about a year researching and looking at different keywords and different rankings of major websites. And that's why we decided to just go ahead and build it. We were going to build this for our clients, but then we realized that we could make this attainable to everybody by just making an app. We take a smaller price for it, and we're going to continuously update it with so many more features. So it's going to be so worth the money that you're going to spend and to get this on your store. Let me show you exactly what we mean by what this is going to do. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a simple search in Google here. So you see, I'm going to look up just the word shoes. It's pretty safe to say that shoes is a very high volume site. So we're going to skip past the Google AdWords, and we're going to look here at the top ranks. Now you can see I've already clicked on them, so they're already purple. And I want to show you, now I already know Zappos doesn't have it, but shoes.com is a very SEO friendly site. Okay, so actually I think I even have it right here. Yes, I do. So when you open up shoes.com, you scroll to the bottom and you see your collections or you see some of the favorites, typical stuff. And then at the bottom here, you see that you have these different categories. Now, this is considered deep linking. It ends up linking into other parts of your site. It also has keywords on that home page, giving your home page much more boost. Okay, so this is a very nice setup. It's nice and clean and professional, and it does the job. Let's look at another one. Let's look at 6 p.m. Okay, so if you look here on Google, you have shoes, Nordstrom Rack, 6 p.m., and Macy's. I mean, so 6 p.m. is not that big of a company, but they're above Macy's. So let's look at 6 p.m. So if you go to 6 p.m., again, standard stuff at the top, but when you scroll to the bottom, look at all of this content. This is a huge paragraph of SEO-friendly stuff on the category, or I'm sorry, on the collection of shoes. This has been very well written. It has links inside of it. Again, this is another part of deep linking. It's just a paragraph with text interconnecting the site from within each other. Now let's go to Macy's. I think it's safe to say that anything Macy's does, they obviously put a lot of money into it. They spend millions of dollars on their website. And again, you scroll to the bottom, but behind all of these reviews, which are also SEO friendly, but then here you have the same exact thing. You have shoes with a big paragraph and with links that are also deep linking. Everybody follows the same thing. You can do this with every little major keyword, and you're going to see almost all of the companies in the top actually doing it. So the first template that we're doing with our app, it's going to be based on a company called DSW. So when I first started doing research on this whole platform, when I searched for shoes, right, the very first item was DSW. And I was just amazed by just all of the stuff that their team put into that site. So here I actually am going to do the Wayback Machine so you can see that DSW, when you're on their shoe section, you scroll down and you have this really nice professional layout. You have your small category you have a small paragraph with an H1 title. You have then your H2 title. You have keywords. Now this is all based on brand names. And then you have popular searches, which is completely different collections. So when I saw this, I knew we had to capture this type of style and this type of look. And then also the ability to make it mobile friendly, because this version is not mobile friendly. And also at the same time flexible, because not every website is going to look like this. So we need to have something that gives you the flexibility. Now, And just to show you, they changed their website. And after they changed their website, they went from number 1 to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a huge difference when you're dealing with a lot of traffic. So I really want to encourage you to consider this idea. A lot of research has been put in, and you're going to get a lot of value out of it. Okay, so hopefully this was a way to explain a little bit more about why we came out with this app, and you can see the value by adding content on a Shopify site, which you cannot do in any theme. I mean, granted, you could put custom text. You can use the custom text blocks inside your theme and customizing it. It is just so unfriendly though. It doesn't have what you see is what you get editing. It doesn't, you have to put in actual code. It's very frustrating. And so we wanted to make something so much more flexible and easy to use. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and check out our other videos.